Hi everyone, it's Bailey with the East Cooney Invasive Species Council. Today we're at Wasa Lake Provincial Park and we're going to be joining our team talking about mussel Veliger sampling. Come along! So what are these mussels? Quagga mussels and zebra mussels are a freshwater mollusk. They came over on boats in about the 1980s to North America. Since then they've spread to over 24 states as far west as California, as well as Ontario and Quebec. Luckily, they haven't made it to BC yet, and we're hoping to keep it that way. So you might be wondering, what's the big deal about these guys? We have freshwater mussels. Well, Quagga mussels and zebra mussels are considered invasive. And since they're not from here, they can disrupt a whole ecosystem, not only displacing our native species and population, can collapse valuable native fish ecosystems such as salmon. And not only that, their impacts to our resources and our tourism can be catastrophic. BC conservatively estimates the cost of zebra invasion to be about $43 million alone. These mussels can clog pipes, they can clog water intake systems, and overall they can just take over our recreational spaces. They can take over the whole beach, which means that you won't even be able to walk on it without cutting your feet. The other thing is that they're extremely hard to eradicate once they've taken over a space or a lake. These mussels can survive on hard surfaces for weeks outside of water, which is why we have to remember to clean, drain, and dry our watercraft.